this is where all the traders are bullish. This is exactly when you want to be bearish on the market. All right, let's get right into it. Eric back here with another YouTube video. If you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps with the algorithm. And if you guys want to see more videos, just comment down below. Give me your guys' feedback. I would much appreciate that. Let's get right into it. All right, so right here, we have the S&P 500. Currently right now, it's September 17th on a Friday. And I'm gonna try to get this video out before the market closes. If not, that's okay. Coming Monday, yes, you can short the market. Buy SPY puts on any bounce. Buy SPY puts on any bounce, okay? It's really simple. Buy to the next resistance level, short it. Resistance level, short it. We are in a bear territory right now for the next at least week or two, okay? So price levels that we got for the S&P 500 is 435 and 431. Okay, where do I get these price levels? Well, we first want to look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we see that the S&P 500 could drop down to lows of 435, okay? 435 is going to be the next price target. And then if it flushes under there, it's going to be at 431. I won't be surprised going into next week if we do see SPY around 430 to 429. I honestly would not be surprised if we saw it around there. Now, again, this is insane amounts of volume. All the sellers came through and they said, we're dumping. Right now, SPY is dumping as I'm currently making this video. We are holding SPY puts, October 15th expiration. It is going for new lows at the moment. It's at 441.05. We're currently up around 55%. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me see if let me see the exact percentage. So we're currently up 56% right now on our SPY puts position. And this is after like our 6th or 7th entry today. Yes, we have cashed out insane amounts of money. And I told you, if you follow me on my Instagram right here in my actual business page, you will see that I post daily updates of what stocks I buy into and how to short the market right now in these current conditions. So right now we are in standing of a a bearish flag formation, okay? So we see that this flag is forming, and actually, you know, if we see a flush below 441 right now, we can actually see the market closing off probably in the high 439s. I won't be surprised, like I said, okay? So what we see in the upcoming weeks, if we can sustain this level right here of 442, okay, we have to make sure that SPY sits below 442 for it to actually start tanking even more going into next week. Okay, so 442 will be a flush down to 435. Hopefully coming into the next week, we can cash out heavy amounts on our SPY puts position. And remember, you guys, what I do in the stock market is predicting direction in the market. Okay, I trade options for a living. I either predict that it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Okay, you can make money both ways. That's what trading options allows you to do. It allows you to trade with a small amount of capital and make a large amount of money if you get into that position and you're able to predict the direction of the market. Just keep that in mind, all right? So SPY puts, okay? Another stock that I'm watching, and I'm going to actually get into the contracts that you guys can buy too. I think that's really important that you pay attention to the contracts and expiration dates as well. So Amazon, okay, Amazon, short the hell out of Amazon. That's what you need to do. You need to short Amazon. Okay, so many people are bullish. They're like, oh my gosh, Amazon's going up. Oh my gosh, Amazon's going to cross 3,500 and it's going to go to the moon. Well, guess what? Your moon play will actually turn into a huge loss play, okay? So you don't want that to happen. Short the hell out of Amazon. I'm telling you right now, okay? We are in a tight squeeze rising wedge right here. Pay attention. We are in a tight squeeze rising wedge. I don't care what anybody says. I'm telling you, I'm not like any other trader. I'm not going to tell you bullshit. I'm telling you the straight up facts right here. Okay, we're in a rising tight squeeze edge. And another thing, okay, pay close attention what I'm about to show you right here. We see the shoulder, the head, the shoulder. What formation does this encounter? That is a head and shoulders, baby. We see a big drop incoming. Okay, first price target for Amazon is going to be $31.71. Call me crazy, but guess what? This is the stock market. I've been trading in the stock market for nearly 8 years, and guess what, baby? I've been predicting these moves for the past 8 years, okay? So don't tell me I'm wrong, because when you guys see Amazon's going to drop down to $31.71, you're probably going to come back on my channel and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, Eric was so right. I should have listened to him. He predicted the market crash and he predicted Amazon drop $300. Okay, first price target point, $31.71. I actually wouldn't even be surprised if we see Amazon back at these levels of $2,800. I know you guys are like, this guy's freaking psychotic. There's no way we're going to have a market crash. There's no way Amazon's going to crash. Well, guess what? This is the stock market. It's not here to give you money. It's here for you to actually be able to predict where the next move is, baby. Let's freaking roll. All right, coming into Monday, short the hell out of Amazon. Look at this. There's no freaking way there's this much volume on a freaking Friday, okay? Compared to the last 2 days. You guys, I'm shorting the hell out of Amazon. You guys can sit back, chill, and, kill your, capitals if you want. But I'm telling you, there's no way there's this much volume on a Friday. Keep this in mind. On a Friday, that it's going to almost surpass on a Thursdays and Wednesdays volume. Just telling you, all right? So we have Friday, this big red indulgent Gulf candle. I'm telling you, short Amazon. You're going to make money. I'm telling you right now. I was right about the gap fill. I'm right now. All right. So short Amazon coming Monday. All right, right here, head and shoulders, baby, on Shopify. This is another one I'm seeing right here. Okay, I know it's not the prettiest. I know it's not the most perfect. TD Ameritrade kind of has some shitty ass like drawing stuff. Okay, shoulders, head, shoulders, boom, drown. Where I see Shopify, this piece of shit of a stock is not worth $14.75 right now. I'm telling you. The reason why I say that is because Shopify is not the best company. I'm just going to, straight out say, it's not the best company, all right? But there's no way that Shopify is worth $14.75. It is worth down to the 1,000s. Yes, you call me crazy. Eric, you're nuts, man. You think Shopify is going to drop down to $1,023? Yeah, I don't think I know it's going to drop down to $1,000. Watch when the market starts dropping. You're going to start seeing this big, huge tank, okay? Obviously, we have our price targets. Respect the price targets where we see the upcoming moves for these stocks, okay? We see the first move on Shopify is going to be at this 1354 level. Disregard this 1433. It's bullshit. Don't believe in it, okay? So, 1354, first price target for Shopify. Second price target for Shopify is going to be $12.98. Third price target for Shopify is going to be $11.73. And of course, the lows of the lows, where Shopify actually belongs, is going to be at $1,023. Yes, guys, that's almost a $500 move on Shopify. If you play it right, if you short it, go long on these, go short on these, but do a long-term expiration puts or just short Shopify, short Amazon. Okay, I see a price target of $28.62 coming back to this level, bouncing off, and then going back to the moon, of course. And SPY, the level for SPY. Oh my gosh, SPY is dropping, baby. SPY is dropping. It's consolidating, but I'm telling you, there's a bigger move to the S&P 500. I see another at least 5 or 10% move happening to the S&P 500 coming in these next couple weeks. You guys, I'm so stuffed right now. Like literally my nose is so stuffed. My throat is killing me. I really wanted to get this video out. I hope this helps some of you literally kind of look at the market and see where it's going. As far as the contracts go, what you're going to want to do, those are my positions right now. I'm up currently a little bit over $400. What you're going to want to do is do the 24th of September expiration, or even do October 15th, which I'm holding one contract. I'm not going in stupid crazy heavy because on these type of moves, I could actually take $400 or $500 and make 5 to 1,000% return on these. Okay, so you don't want to go in stupid heavy. Again, you got to conserve your capital. Trade larger on Monday and Tuesdays. And on Wednesdays and Thursdays and Fridays, trade with your small account. So I got two accounts, my small and large account, and you want to trade larger on those Mondays and Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Start conserving your capital and keeping your profits and trading with your small capital. So yes, September 24th expiration. We're going to do in the money contracts right here. If you guys haven't bought it yet, we're going to do this 441 or 440. If it drops even below that, just do it in the money. Honestly, in the money contracts, they're all going to pay out like crazy. For October 15th, okay, this is a very important strike price. All right, October 15th, right? Yes, October 15th. We are going to do the 440 strike price, or we are going to do the 435 strike price. Don't get this wrong. It's going to be 440 or 435. Okay, 435 right there. We could even do the 430 strike price. That's pushing it a little bit, but those three strike prices are the ones that you want to go with. They have literally the most open interest, and the percentage amount on those contracts are actually being saved. So go with those strike prices. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. You're going to make a lot of money if you do the right strike prices, okay? So September 24th, October 15th, do it, get into it, short the hell out of these stocks, all right? Don't miss out on this opportunity. You're going to look back and you're going to be like, oh man, Eric was right. He posted it all over his social medias and he posted it on YouTube, but I decided not to listen, and now I missed out on this big opportunity to make 500 to 1,000%. These are literally 10x returns, okay? We can make even 2,000% on these stocks if you just play it right, okay? Just buy about 2 to 3 weeks out expiration, okay, even on Amazon. I know it's harder to afford these strike prices on these larger cap stocks. But again, it's the name of the game. Name of the game, you guys. It's the name of the game. So get into it. Start trading. Let's stay green, baby. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.